a creature that knows it will die after attacking, yet still hurls itself at the enemy with all its strength. Why on earth does a honeybee do this? It's early morning. Thousands of honeybees are leaving their hive. Every bee knows that today she must visit hundreds of flowers because the survival and food of the entire family depend on it. This tiny bee collects nectar from flower after flower and then flies several kilometers back to her hive. But the surprising thing is, she doesn't rest upon returning. The moment she steps inside the hive, she performs a special dance. Scientists call this the Waggle Dance. Through this very dance, other bees understand exactly where to find the best flowers. But if at that exact moment a bear, a human, or any enemy comes near the hive, these hardworking bees instantly transform into soldiers. Then they attack and plunge their stinger into the enemy's body. However, this very stinger becomes the reason for their own death, which means, to save their hive, they willingly sacrifice their own lives. What's truly incredible is, to make just 1 spoon of honey, thousands of bees travel across millions of flowers. They don't work just for themselves their whole lives. They work for the entire colony. Nature's smallest soldier teaches us a big lesson, that sometimes the greatest strength is hidden in sacrifice and unity.
If you have interest in wildlife, please subscribe our channel for more videos like this.